Hi, I'm Michelle Oliver with Douglas Elliman. Welcome to 234 South Canyon View Drive in Brentwood, California. This property is one of the most exceptional properties I've ever shown in my entire career. So we're on an over 20,000 square foot lot, 3,500 square foot house. We have 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a gorgeous pool. Honestly, this home is so different than any other home in any other area in Southern California. So you have to see it to believe it. Follow me. How beautiful is this 2-story entryway? It's a perfect blend of contemporary mixed with mid-century modern. I love the space and the feel of this sunken living room with a beautiful gas fireplace with onyx marble around the top and the bottom, clear story windows, sliding glass doors to the backyard. It has everything. And in here you have these beautiful post and beam ceilings preserving the mid-century architecture with having these contemporary features throughout the room. I love how this room corners into the full view of the garden, the huge trees. I mean, this is just a perfect place just to relax and hang out, watch the birds fly by, or have a little coffee. And just adjacent to this is the master bathroom. Beautiful zen. I mean, you feel like you're on a retreat. You have a sunken bathtub, you're overlooking the gardens, a glass shower. I mean, you feel like you're on vacation every day. All right, here we are in the most modern part of the interior of the home, which I love. It's this beautiful Italian kitchen. Look at this gorgeous textured countertop. All brand new Italian designer Dada kitchen from Italy. And we have everything outfitted with the cabinets, Miele appliances. And I love the volume of this room. I mean, look at the 2-story windows. You just have light and bright everywhere. And you have lots of storage all throughout, all the bells and whistles that a great kitchen needs, but the profile is minimal, clean, and you could sit here and eat, or you can go outside and have like a little alfresco dining moment. I want to continue on because this house keeps revealing the most incredible moments leading all the way to the back to the most dramatic garden you've ever seen. Isn't this just incredible? The gardens just go on and on. We're on over 20,000 square feet of land, and so you have a little secret that's down here. Come this way. One of the most incredible things about this property is this particular street has a creek that runs through it. It's dry now, but in the wintertime, it becomes a babbling brook, and it's just so majestic. I mean, you're really in an oasis here. So the pool is 40 feet long and has a beautiful built-in spa to it. You have fire features, heaters underneath the roof, the open dining area, and not to mention an incredible barbecue area as well. You're surrounded by nature, completely mature trees. You have blossoming flowers everywhere, and you feel like you're in the Pacific Northwest, but actually you're right here in the middle of Los Angeles. Thank you so much for joining me on our tour of 234 South Canyon View Drive. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now I'm going to enjoy the backyard before it sells.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?